Replacing your home's doors may seem like a simple project, but it's one that can easily go wrong if handled carelessly. From choosing the wrong materials to misjudging installation techniques, even small mistakes can affect your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. For Melville homeowners, where changing weather and varying architectural styles come into play, understanding what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to do right. Choosing the wrong door type or material. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting a door that doesn't fit their home's needs or the Melville climate. For instance, choosing a hollow core interior style door for an exterior entry can lead to poor insulation and quick wear. Similarly, wood doors, while elegant, require more maintenance in areas with humidity and temperature swings. How to avoid it? Before making a purchase, assess your home's environment and purpose for the door. Steel or fiberglass doors are excellent for exterior use due to their durability and energy efficiency, while solid core wood remains a great choice for interior aesthetics. Always check the manufacturer's recommendations for weather resistance and maintenance requirements. Ignoring proper measurements. A mismeasured door can lead to drafts, gaps, and a poor fit that compromises both function and appearance. Many Melville homeowners underestimate how precise door sizing must be, especially when replacing older doors in homes that may have settled over time. How to avoid it? Measure the height, width, and thickness of the existing frame carefully, and don't forget to account for the sill and jamb. If you're unsure, hire a professional to ensure an exact fit. A properly sized door not only looks better but also helps maintain energy efficiency and home security. Overlooking energy efficiency. With fluctuating temperatures in Melville, a poorly insulated door can result in higher energy bills and uncomfortable indoor environments. Many homeowners focus solely on appearance and forget about features that improve efficiency. How to avoid it? Look for doors with ENERGY STAR ratings, proper weather stripping, and insulated cores. Glass inserts should be double or triple paned for maximum efficiency. Investing a bit more upfront in energy-saving materials can significantly reduce long-term heating and cooling costs. Skipping professional installation. DIY projects can be rewarding, but door installation is rarely one to attempt without experience. Improper installation can lead to alignment issues, sticking doors, air leaks, and even security risks. How to avoid it? Hire a reputable door replacement professional in Melville who understands local building codes and conditions. Certified installers ensure your door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and is properly sealed. Professional installation also typically comes with warranties, offering peace of mind for years to come. Neglecting hardware and finishes. Many homeowners underestimate the impact of door hardware and finishes. Cheap hinges, handles, or locks can wear out quickly, and finishes not suited for Melville's humidity can fade or peel prematurely. How to avoid it? Choose high-quality, corrosion-resistant hardware and finishes that complement your home's design. Stainless steel and brass are great options for long-lasting performance. Also, consider modern smart lock technology for enhanced security and convenience. Forgetting about local style and curb appeal. While functionality is crucial, aesthetics matter too. Installing a door that clashes with your home's architecture can reduce its curb appeal and resale value. Melville neighborhoods often feature a blend of traditional and modern homes, so choosing a door that aligns with your property's style is key. How to avoid it? Work with a design consultant or browse local home improvement stores for inspiration. Choose colors and materials that harmonize with your home's exterior. A stylish, well-chosen door can enhance your property's first impression. Final thoughts: a door replacement should enhance your Melville home's comfort, energy efficiency, and visual appeal, not create frustration or unexpected expenses. Avoiding these common mistakes means taking the time to plan, measure, and seek expert advice. Whether it's your front entryway or a patio door, investing in quality materials and professional installation will pay off in lasting value, security, and peace of mind.